Hello, everyone. This is Show Cowboy. Now, the reason why I don't have my face in this video, even though I had one in the, what's it called? The Eskrima video, the Eskrima demo. The reason for that is because, well, honestly, that one has a lot of special effects, and I looked very different back then. I actually lost a lot of weight since then, so you wouldn't be able to recognize me anyway. Okay, so this video is about one of these, a keychain flashlight. This one is 600 lumens. I'd recommend getting something that is at least like 600 or 500 lumens. I know the minimum is 120 for self-defense, but 500 I feel like is more reliable, 600 definitely. 1000 is good, but this is 1000 keychain, 1000 lumen keychain flashlights are expensive, you know. This one is like 20 bucks, so. And yes, it's purple. I like the color purple, it's my favorite color, so deal with it. The point here is that as an improvised weapon, okay? Now if you live in a place where they're not gonna like you striking with the keys, you might wanna put your keys like this and just have your flashlight like this, okay? Now don't do this. Don't point it out like it's some sort of flintlock pistol like you're at, you know, a 1700s British soldier, like I shot at a fellow and took his... No, don't do that. What you want to do is this, because this hand here is going to allow you to strike, to parry, whatever, punch, whatever you have to do. This here, well, you can also strike with this using your closed fist like this. If you live in a place like the US or the Philippines, you can even strike with the keys legally. So, right? But that's mostly not going to be necessary because this is 600 lumens. Now, you're standing behind a screen. I would never do this to anyone who isn't attacking me, who isn't standing behind a screen. This is not going to blind you. I will give you warning though. If you have epilepsy, I would click off now. Okay. I will give you 3 seconds. 3, 2, 1. Okay. I am now going to demonstrate. Oh, sorry, I broke my own rule. What I'm supposed to do is this. Yeah. It's just kind of an instinct to do it like this. Because that's what you see in the movies with guns and stuff. But this is not a gun. It's not a ranged weapon. Well, it is a ranged weapon. But honestly, if they get close to you, this is what they grab, grapple, whatever, you know, it's not good. So, because this is not ready to strike right away, you want to have your left hand ready to strike. Now, if you're right-handed, maybe like this. But, I mean, sorry, if you're left-handed like this. If you're right-handed, like this. Okay. If you're asking me what martial art this is, this stance is from karate. This is karate. But this is Eskrima, that's Filipino martial arts, arnis, kali, whatever you want to call it. I find it faster because, but if you want to strike with more power, karate may be for you. Oh, that's it for the video. Thank you for watching.